Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic organizational project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting uh, if you are a student and studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so with respect to exam point of view, this is a very important topic, organizational project management, and in the exam at least 4 to 5 questions will definitely be there which are directly related to the concept of OPM or organizational project management. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager or a portfolio manager, a program manager, so this is important for you to understand the concept of OPM. What does it mean, organizational project management, and what is the goal of the OPM, organizational project management? So, friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Organizational project management. Friend, there are three words: organizational project management. Organizational project management means, friend, whatever the projects are executing in the organization, programs which are executing, portfolios are executing, it should be aligned with the strategy of the organization. That is called as the main concept of organization project management or OPM. Actually, what does it mean? Actually, basically, friend, if we talk about multi big organizations where lots of projects are going on. For example, we can say very big banks where we can say around 40 to 50 projects are going on. Okay, so here come the concept of OPM. Like, we have to make sure that whatever the projects are going, programs are going, portfolios are going, they should be aligned with the concept and with the strategy of the organization. For example, let me give you a simple example, a very simple example. Friend, many organization, like many countries, maybe you know that the credit card development and the development for credit card, it is not uh, it is not for it is not accepted, or you can say it is not likable because the due to some interest factors are there, etc, etc. So few organizations are there which says that whatever the software development required for the debit card, we will do that, but however the software development for credit card we will not do. Why? Because it involves the calculations of interest, and they don't want to do that. So whatever the projects, like for example 40 projects are going on in an organization, and you are working on multiple projects are signing, and multiple projects are several projects are starting. However, each and every project should be aligned with the strategy of the organization. And what is the strategy here? Let me give you a very simple example. The strategy of organization is that no project will involve the software development for credit card. Simply, just take it, please take it as an example here. Okay, so this is the strategy of the organization, that they will not involve the credit card development. So every project, we have to make sure that every project will not involve the software development for the credit card. So basically, friend, OPM concept is that whatever the projects are going in on an organization, it will not in they should be aligned with the goals, objectives, and strategy of the organization. So it should not happen, like for example, if there are several projects are going on, it should not happen that they should not be aligned with the strategy, with the goals of the company. of the organization. It should be properly and completely aligned with the strategy and goal of the organization. Okay friend, that is called as the concept of the OPM. OPM concept is that whatever the projects, program, portfolio are going on in an organization, it should be aligned with the goals, objectives and strategy of the organization. Okay, so this is called the main concept of OPM, or organizational project management. Now friend, OPM means a strategy execution framework that utilizes portfolio, program and project management as well as organizational enabling practice to consistently and predictably deliver organizational strategy to produce better performance, better result and a sustainable competitive advantage. This is the concept of OPM. Now friend, what is the project here? We are using multiple time three terms here. Project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. Friend, whatever the project are going on, the main concept is that it should be unique and it should be temporary, like it has some starting and ending point, and it gives you a unique product or service. Program basically a collection of projects which are having the same objective and goal. Portfolio, simply think of portfolio as projects and program and sub projects and operations managed in a group to achieve strategic objective. That is called as the concept of portfolio friend. Okay, so these three terms have been described here: the project, program and portfolio. And the OPM concept is that we use the project, program and portfolio. It should be aligned with the strategy of the company, goals and objective of the company. So whatever the projects are going on, it should be aligned with the concept, with the objectives of the company. Principles of OPM. First of all, the most important principle is that the projects, program and portfolio should be aligned with the organizational strategy, integration with organizational enablers, consistency of education and delivery, organization integration, value the organization and continuous development. Friend, these are the only the principle. Just think of the OPM. Main concept is that, main principle of OPM is that friend, that your projects should be executing with respect to your strategy, goals and objective of your organization. So this is the most important principle of your concept of OPM here. Okay, so all the projects whichever are going on, first of all your strategy, your goals should be clear, and these will be executing with respect to the strategy of your organization. So friend, this is called as the concept of OPM. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side.